What's up, guys? David J. Woodbury here. So I was just going to go over today a little bit about, how to make money online, specifically affiliate marketing, and kind of go over what people struggle with when they're trying to start a business online. So back in fall of 2014, I started, I decided I wanted to create an income online just because I didn't like the position I was at. With my job. It was a good job, but it just, I was bound to basically on call. So I didn't really have a life because I always had to be ready to go in and take care of something if something went wrong at work. So um, I just wanted to leave that life and be able to travel. Um, I was hardly spending time with my wife, and it was just really hard. So wanted to change that situation. So I hopped in, started looking around online, found a lot of things talking about multi-level marketing type of businesses that you could start online. Obviously, hopped into something like that, and the thing with a lot of those programs, people find out, and especially new people. If you're new and you're watching this, you want to kind of pay attention because a lot of these programs will actually, they really do cater to the top few people in that company, obviously, and they take advantage of people that don't know what they're doing just to get them in, to keep giving them promises of getting success. There's a lot of fluff in a lot of these type of companies. Not saying all of them, but a lot of them are, giving you pipe dreams to have all the success that you want in a short amount of time. And the truth of the matter is, it's a lot easier to stay away from those type of programs and just start affiliate marketing on your own and just building your own brand. Because what happens with these multi-level marketing companies is you get a funnel and everything that you promote. So you get your link so you can promote that company. But the problem is those videos that they make for their funnels and their sales process are the top leaders in the company. So what you're doing in reality is actually promoting those people rather than yourself. A lot of people, I understand. I used to be terrified of getting on the camera and putting a video online, but the reality is it's a very good decision to brand yourself and get a following for yourself rather than build a following for somebody else that that you don't really even know besides through videos and this company and hearing about their successes and stuff like that. You're only building them up, and you're kind of just staying at this level and not really progressing. So what happens a lot of times is people might see your videos and then they'll go start following these leaders and then join under them, and that's just kind of a wasted effort on your side. And then you start a new MLM company and you do the same thing again. You start promoting it, you're not getting signups, people aren't sticking around, and then you start over again. So it's this vicious cycle of not really getting anywhere and not branding your own self to your audience. I get a lot of people just don't really want to be on camera, and that's fine. There's tons of ways to make an income um, through affiliate marketing and not even be on camera. I have over 60 channels on YouTube now that I use for marketing, and about 95% of them I'm not physically on camera. I just use them for marketing networks to promote different products and stuff like that. And I've always been passionate about promoting things that are not a scam. Obviously, I'm not the type of person that just wants to make a quick buck off somebody, even though I know it's a scam. I do my research and stuff like that, products that I promote. So, if you're new and you're trying to make an income online, or if you've been online for a long time and still having no success, there are many ways for you to start building your own opportunity and branding yourself or branding your own business, whether it's your face or your company, whatever it may be. You can really start making an income online with some easy marketing techniques. And I notice one of the biggest problem people have is just getting traffic to their website. I get so excited because you hear all these videos When I first started, you hear all these leaders talking about how much money they're making and how easy it is. People are flying in. It's automated system and all that kind of stuff. Well, in the new person's mind, you don't really think about the fact that you still have to get all the people to the website. You're thinking automated, and you're thinking people are just going to be you're going to pay a fee, and then people are going to be flying in under you, and you're going to make thousands of dollars. And the truth is, it just doesn't work that way. If it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. So it's definitely a learning curve for people. And for whatever reason, a lot of people would rather spend money and waste money hearing that they can become rich overnight rather than realizing in their own mind that it does take some time. So just sit back and kind of think about what you want to achieve, and maybe think about your own situation where maybe you've been a part of these programs and didn't have success, or you gave up completely and you're just maybe trying to come back and start again. I was in that position a lot, and I just told myself I was never going to give up. And I'm currently a top affiliate for Ty Lopez, the 67 steps, and um, did the social media marketing agency promoting, and I made a ton of money with that. And these are all programs that people are going through that are having great success as well. And I've also done some trainings. I've done a training on the social media marketing agency as well, and a lot of people have come to me because of that. Um, so that's another way I'm building my own brand, is just putting myself out there and getting in front of people as best as I can. And it really is a good idea to get comfortable with a camera. Um, you just got to kind of realize that people want to hear what you say, and typically they don't really care about how you look necessarily. And there's always going to be haters and people that say things. That's just the realm that we're in online marketing. So that's just something you have to get used to. And there's always a block button, so you can get rid of those people pretty quick, um, and just keep them out of your bubble completely. Which I definitely recommend doing if somebody's giving you a hard time. And most of the time, people are just doing that because they're struggling themselves, and it's never worth your time to sit there and fight with them. So really think about what you want to achieve online, and instead of wasting your time jumping from program to program, start building a network of marketing. I call these it's kind of a micro channel strategy for building affiliate product marketing funnels. And I teach this in a YouTube ranking masterclass that I have over at davidjwoodbury.com that you can check out. And you get my no fluff marketing course, and then a lead generation workshop, as well as learning all my strategies that I use to get free traffic online. I built my business with free traffic through YouTube. Like I said, I have over 60 channels now. One of my big channels brought in a ton of sales for me. And then I have all these other channels out there scattered across YouTube that also bring me money. And they're basically like little employees. So you set one up, it starts making you a little bit of income, and then you move on to the next one, and it starts making you a little bit of income. And you can expand this exponentially, really, and just start taking advantage and dominating first page results for different niches. And I teach y'all how to do this in the course, but you got to really think about how to brand yourself without relying on a company like an MLM company out there. You've seen a lot of these companies go away lately, and all that effort that you've ever done out there promoting these companies is just gone. So it's a really good idea to start your own brand and your own business in marketing, whatever it is. I'm specifically affiliate marketing, and that's what I teach. So if you're interested in checking out the course, go ahead and click the link below. And like I said, 29 bucks to get in, one-time payment. And I'm currently, updating it as I test new things. So get a lifetime membership there. I would suggest checking it out and learning the strategies to, build a six-figure business online, affiliate marketing. It's a great way to make an income, just because you don't have overhead, you don't have, you don't have to build products, And you can always do that later on if you want to. You know, the sky's the limit really once you build your own brand. So anyway, that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Go ahead and ask me any questions that you might have as well. I'd love to answer them. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.